How to install Among Us on Android phone. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your Play Store. After you're in your store, you can tap on this search bar and search for Among Us. In the search result, you'll see the app with this kind of logo. After you find this official app, in the right hand side you can see the install button. In order to install this on your phone, you can tap on this install button. Now the download process has begun. It might take few moments depending on your internet connection speed. After the download is complete, you will see this play button. You can directly launch this app from here, so you can tap on play. It will take you to this app. You can now create your account and play this game. So that's a very easy process to install Among Us on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.